Hi. Today, we will see how to share text data from our Flutter Android app to some other app on the mobile device. First, we need to install a third-party package. To do that, Google pub-dev. Open this website. Here, search share_plus. You will see many packages by this name. Choose this one, which has more than 2 million downloads, and is developed by fluttercommunity.dev. Click here. On this page, select Installing section. Here, copy this line. Now, open the Android Studio. Click the Terminal button here. And paste that line which we had copied. Hit Enter. Let the operation complete. Now, open the pubspec YAML file. Scroll down until you find the Dependencies section. Here you will see the share_plus package listed. Then, click the pub-get button. The package will then install in your app. OK. Now let's see the code. This is the main.dart file. These are the imports. In the main function, we create an app called MyApp. This is the MyApp class that extends the stateless widget. Because of that, the state of all the things that we code in this class cannot be changed. Here, in the build function, we create a material app. Here we define the title, the theme, and the home page of this app. The home page is set to a class called MyHomePage. This is the MyHomePage class. This class extends the stateful widget. So, the state of all the things that we code in this can be changed later. Here, we create a state called _MyHomePage state. This is the _MyHomePage state class. Here we will design our app. First, we have a text editing controller. We will have a text field in our UI. The user will type some text in it and then, we will share that text to some other app. So to control that text field, we need this text editing controller. In the build function, we create a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The scaffold widget has two important attributes, the app bar attribute and the body attribute. In the app bar attribute, we create the toolbar of the app. In the body attribute, first, we will have a container widget. Inside the container, we have a column widget. Inside the column widget, we have three things: a text field, a sized box, and an elevated button. This is the text field. We have set our text editing controller to the controller attribute. And we will show enter data as the label of the text field. Now, we need some empty space below, so we use this sized box. Then, we have an elevated button. Share text label is written on the button. When the button is pressed, this onPressed function gets called. Here, first, we get the data from the text field using the controller. Then, we check if the data is empty or not. If it is empty, then, we show a snack bar to the user where we write that, please enter some text. If the data is not empty, then, we call the share data function and pass that data in that function. This is the share data function. Here, this is how we share the data to other apps. The result gets collected in the result variable. Result means if the user shared the data or not. The user may press back button without sending the data. If the result is success, then, we show done snack bar to the user. OK. Now let's run the app and check the output. See, we have text field and a button under it. Now I will write some text here. And now, I will click the Share Text button. See, such a panel opens. Here we can select which app we want to share the data with. I will share the data to the Brave browser. See, the ABCD text is present in the search box of the Brave browser and ABCD related links are shown below. So we have successfully shared the data from our Flutter app to some other app on the mobile device. And when I go back to my app, I see Done snack bar. Let's see which apps we can send our text data to. These are all the apps on this device, which can accept the text data. I can select any of them. So that's it. The link to download this code is given in the description box under this video. Thanks for watching.